Good morning, Power Wash Store of Central PA. I want to give you a little walk around of this trailer that we just wrapped up here for one of our customers. This hot water pressure washer trailer was brought to us with just the water tank, hose reels, and the hot water unit on it. And then we added a soft wash system. So this is a complete pressure washing and soft washing rig now. What we did here, we made this plate that allowed us to mount our twin pump system, proportioner, and some flush valves on there. The twin pump system, the pumps don't run in unison together. The second pump is just going to be for a backup. So if something were to happen with the first pump, you can easily disconnect and hook up to the second pump without having any downtime. You can see here we have installed on-off switches on both of the pumps. The valve in the center there is going to be our flush valve for the proportioner system. That'll just allow us to clean that out each time. Your proportioner, and then beside the proportioner we have hard plumbed a bleach transfer system here. So the hoses are tucked back in behind that panel here, so you can't really see those right now. But what that's going to do is that's going to allow us to fill up our tanks from our 55-gallon tank or 275-gallon tote, whatever we may have that we're filling up with. Over here between the water tank and pressure washer is where we have our 7-gallon soap tank. And then there's a winterization kit on here as well, which is that other tank. And then down here is that transfer pump that we are going to use for filling our bleach. We always like to hard plumb the transfer pumps in there just so you don't have to take the lids off of your tanks. Whenever you take the lids off your tanks, spills tend to happen, so we like to avoid that so you can keep everything enclosed in that system. So if you're looking for a new build or just upgrading a build that you already have, we hope you consider us for your needs. Power Wash Store Central PA, 717-378-2276. Please check out our website, powerwashstorepa.com. Have a great day.